My name is Dr. Matthew Darlow. I'm a spine surgeon here at Orthopedic Specialists of Texas in Webster. I was born and raised in the Houston area, and I went to Duke University for my undergraduate where I studied neuroscience. I then came back to Houston for medical school, went to LSU in New Orleans for my orthopedic residency training, and the Florida Orthopedic Institute in Tampa, Florida for my spine fellowship. I'm really excited to be back here in Houston with my wife and my daughter, and when I'm not with them, I'm either reading science fiction or watching the Astros play. As a spine surgeon, I treat a wide variety of conditions from the neck all the way down to the low back. I take care of people with chronic neck and low back pain, shooting pain or radiculopathy down the arms or the legs, as well as sacroiliac dysfunction. I specialize in minimally invasive spine surgery, robotic surgery, motion preservation, and other procedures to help you get back to where you want to be. My philosophy as a spine surgeon is to treat you as the patient and not your imaging. Our goal is to treat you holistically with conservative care, including medications, therapy, injections, and only if you need it at the end, a surgery. Here at our clinic, we've got an amazing staff, amazing facilities. We're right next to HCA Houston Clear Lake, and we've got tons of parking. Looking forward to seeing you.